Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 15 Ultra. In this video I'll show you how to insert SIM card to your smartphone. In the beginning, let's prepare SIM card tray opener. Take a look at the bottom of your smartphone and now insert SIM card tray opener inside this hole. Push until the SIM card tray pops out. Remove it and now place your SIM card right here with the code on the outside. Here you can insert the second SIM card, also with the chip code on the outside. Once it's done, insert the SIM card tray back inside the smartphone and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.